Article 11, Justifying Circumstances. First paragraph. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights provided that the following circumstances concur. First is unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third is lack of sufficient provocation on the part of a person defending himself. Second paragraph. Anyone who acts in the defense of the person or right of his descendants, or legitimate, natural, adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and the second requisites prescribed in the next preceding circumstances are present, and the further requisite in the case of provocation was given by the person attacked, and that one making defense have no part therein. Paragraph 3. Anyone who acts in the defense of the person or rights of the stronger, provided that the first and the second requisites mentioned in the first circumstances of his article are present, and that the person defending be not endorsed by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Paragraph 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which causes damage in another, provided the following requisites are present. First is that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. The second, that the injury feared be greater than avoided it. And the third is that there be no after practical and less harmful means or prevention it. Paragraph 5. Any person who acts in the fulfillment of a duty or in the lawful exercise of a right or office. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by a superior for some lawful purpose.